I got this dustpan to use outdoors. I'm always picking up so many leaves and I want something that can grab it all for me so I don't get my hands dirty and really does a good job of collecting all of it. Now before I use it, I want to show you what makes this so impressive. It is made in the USA and it is super, super sturdy. And it can sit flat just like this on any surface. So as you sweep things into it, it can hold all of that until you're ready to take it to a trash bin. And this lip right here is super thick and really goes down nicely. So it will really hold onto the floor and make sure everything gets into the dustpan. Let me show you. Now my main plan for it is using this outdoors, but it would be great indoors as well. It is a heavy duty dustpan and it definitely is larger too. But as you can see, it got all of that in there and there's still a little more here. So let me finish this off. It got it all. Even on this rough cement surface, it got all of it and it can hold that all until I'm ready to put it in the trash. So impressive. Super sturdy, meant to last a lifetime. I am thrilled with this dustpan and know you'll be as well. I definitely recommend it.